Hi, Melanie here from Balloon Artworks in Derbyshire in the UK. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a one balloon turtle using just one 260. So inflate your balloon with about 3 strokes of the hand pump and tie. Okay, so give your balloon a bit of a squeeze just to soften it and twist off a small bubble of a couple of fingers, followed by a bubble of about 1.5 to 2 inches, and we're going to make 3 more bubbles this size. Okay, so bend your balloon over to measure, okay, and make another bubble this size. And if your bubbles aren't exactly the same size, don't worry, close is good enough. Okay, and then another bubble to match. Okay, so we've got our 4 bubbles. Bring your balloons together and we're going to wrap this section into this section here. Just twist round. Okay, bring your balloon over the top and then make a bubble that is almost the distance of this section here to this section here, but just slightly smaller, Okay, so that's what I've got. I've made a bubble of perhaps about 2 inches. Okay, so that's the space I've got. And this is just very slightly smaller. And I'm going to twist this section into this section here, or rather I'm going to pull it into that section. Okay, so it just sits there. And then bring the rest of the balloon underneath the turtle's body and make a bubble that is just a tiny bit smaller than this one that you made on top. Okay, and then wrap the rest of the balloon into the head here. Okay, and at this point we can discard the rest of the balloon. You can break it off or cut it off and tie a knot. And just hide the excess in between those 2 bubbles that you made to form the turtle's body. So you could leave your turtle at that, but I just like to take hold of this knot and nozzle and pull it into the underside of the turtle. So just pull that down and wrap it underneath one of the flippers till you can just catch hold of the nozzle and then wrap that around. Okay. And there's your really cute one balloon turtle. I'll see you again in the next video.